Well, hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Eek Acres. In this video, I have a review of one of the largest lights that has ever been sent to me to review. And this is for the JC-LGL LED loading dock light with double arm, and it's called the Square Series. This is quite the light, you guys. It is a big light and it's heavy. And this arm is meant to be mounted to a wall, and it swings out, and then the head pivots. So it's kind of like one of those dentist lights. And this is how it comes in the box, and it has the instruction manual here. And it does require some light assembly. Nothing too major. So let's take a look at this light. Set that out of the way. Now I'm doing this with one hand because I can't fit this all in the shot for using a tripod. So this is the light itself. And as you can see, this mounts to the arm, but you could also mount this bracket to a wall, to the ceiling, to your workbench, and it has a cord. And right here on the back side is the power switch to turn it on and off. And this plug goes into the plug that's on the arm. So this head mounts to the arm of this swing out device. So let me set this over here, and we'll take a look at this. This thing is heavy. Okay, this is what it looks like, you guys, after pulling the plastic off of it. See, the cord actually goes through this heavy gauge steel, and then this arm is meant to swing out, and this is what the head mounts to. And then you got two plugs. You got one for the light, and you can also plug in a fan that this company also sells that mounts to this bracket, so you can have a shop light and a fan to keep your work area cool. Okay, you guys, right now I just have it freestanding because this is supposed to be screwed to the wall, bolted to the wall. But I wanted to show you that if you had a wood platform for it, that you could screw it to a platform to make it mobile, being that it just plugs in and you can plug it into an extension cord, to where these two bars would angle back and then this part would come down, so it would be like a desk lamp. Do you know what I mean? To where this would articulate and fold down, and then you could move the lamp around, almost like one of those black desk lamps that you see on a computer desk. But if you notice here, it's also got holes that go this way. So you can unscrew this and mount the light on this side, so it's shining off to the side. So when it's mounted on a wall and you swing it out and around, now you can move the light to angle it however you need to have it set up. That's what's cool about this light, is that you can have it mounted this way on the back. You can have it mounted on any four sides around this top post. That's why it has four holes all the way around. This is designed to set it up any way that you need it to work. This thing is heavy duty. It appears to be all powder coated, the paint. It's got this heavy duty grid here on the front to protect the faceplate of the light itself, and it has a whole series of bright LED lights in here, as you can see. This thing is really nice, you guys, really well made. The cord is all heavy duty. And as you can see, there is a secondary plug down here to where you can plug in a fan, or you can plug in a shop tool, whatever you need. But yeah, this thing's pretty nice. And out the back here is the heavy cord to plug in the light if you're running it off of this. But this thing is very heavy, you guys. Heavy, heavy duty. I can't stress that enough. This thing is very well made and of highest quality materials. I mean, this thing is really nice. Really nice, and the paint on it is fantastic. Okay, guys, here's a look at the light with it mounted on top. This thing is really cool. You can turn it and angle it any way that you need to. And you can have it right down flat. You can angle it up, turn it, And you can have it mounted here on the side, on the left, on the right. You can have it hanging so it's on the bottom and it turns around. And then when it's not in use, this whole thing just goes right down and folds flat. So I will mount it to the wall and I will demonstrate it as it is intended to be used for. But I just wanted to show you guys that if you just had a couple spare planks, that you could just set it right on some boards and screw it down and just use it as a workshop light for in your basement, in your garage, in your house. If you're doing remodeling, you could use this thing anywhere that you can plug in a grounded plug and have light at the ready. It is dark out, and this is how the light mounts to the wall. And but you can mount it vertically instead of horizontally if you so wish to where you could have it come out like a desk lamp. And of course the head angles all around. But we will move this out just like it shows for demonstration. And I will show you guys how bright this is. Now I'm just showing this demonstration right here in a 2-car garage because I don't have a commercial loading dock. I do over at the pole barn, but we don't have any electricity out there because the pole barn's been disconnected from the electric. So I will turn this on. And there we go, you guys. Now you can see just how bright. Let me turn this other light off. There. This light up here on the wall is off, this motion activated light. And that is how bright this light is. And as you can see, you can move it around. You can angle it anywhere that you need. Now this would also, in my opinion, this don't have to be used as just a dock light. This would be a great item to buy, you guys, if you needed to work on a vehicle. If you needed some light on your engine, you could just have this mounted right in front in your garage or in your shop. You could have this over a shop workbench. You can mount it to the ceiling and have it shine straight down. Basically, you guys, you got every type of option on how to mount this that you would need. And look at the light that shines. I'm moving the head around and it's just lighting this garage up like daytime in here. It looks very bright in person. Let me back up and show you here. That is how bright this light is, you guys. Very, very bright. So, like I said, I think this light would have many different types of applications. I think a light like this would work great for any type of job that you need to do. You can angle it straight down, just like that. And I'll back up so you can see. This thing is a fantastic light. Nice heavy duty cord on it. Nice chrome plated power switch right here. Really good hardware on it. I like the protective cage over the lens where all the LED bulbs are that are very bright. And like I showed before, it has a plug here to add a shop fan to it that you can mount at the top of this thing. So you have a light down below, a fan up top, or you can reverse them to where the light's up top and the fan is down at the bottom. Yeah, very cool, you guys. It's got a long enough cord so you can reach an outlet, mount it near an outlet, or you can put it on an extension cord. And there you go, you guys. Folds nice and flat against the wall. And I'll leave the link down below where you can purchase this light, as well as many others. They have all kinds of commercial applications. But like I said, I think this thing would make for a really nice shop light in anybody's garage, pole barn, anywhere you need a work light, you guys. I think that would work great. And it also works fantastic as a dock light. I'm sure it would light up any semi backing up to a loading dock, because you mount it near the door and it would put light right inside the back of the semi trailer. This thing is awesome. Links are down below, you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one. Bye-bye.